Hey guys, so I just got my squishies out of the freezer, so I did a squishy experiment. See, let's just squish it. Oh my god. Do you see that? Oh my god. Let me just squish it properly then. Okay, so oh my god. This is so squishy. Oh my god. I'm dying. Oh my god. It's so squishy. Sorry guys. Okay, so all the squishing is getting very awesome. So yeah. So I've got my bitten bun. So yeah. So let me just squish this again. So yeah, I think if I put it in there longer, it probably would. So yeah, bun. This is awesome. Oh my god, it's like so textured. And then I've got this. Squishy one is frozen for some reason. So yeah, panda bun, the squishiest I guess, and this is stress ball. So yeah, I like the panda bun the most.